Hello guys, this is Hard Reset, and is Netflix being a drama queen? Shows won't load or it keeps buffering? Try the steps to bring that binge back. First of all, close Netflix and give it a break. Just like this. And open again. If it didn't help you, you need to go to the permissions of this application. Let's go to the apps. Search Netflix. Go to the app permissions and allow some. So, if it didn't help you, you might to go to the reinstall the Netflix. Let's go search for Netflix. Go here, uninstall and install it again. Let's go open it. And if it didn't help you, this might be the connection reset. So you might go to check your mobile data or the Wi-Fi, but if they are working correctly, just reset your phone, and I hope this will solve your problem. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.